In this video, I'll show you 6 hidden Blender shortcuts that will instantly speed up your workflow. Repeat last action. Repeating the same action, there's a fast way in Blender. If you do any action in here, you can repeat that by pressing Shift R. If you just extrude, it extrudes again. If you duplicate and rotate something, it repeats that action. So easy. Now you can model faster than ever. Save this tip. Shrink or fatten. Need to adjust thickness easily. Press Alt and S. This move the face alone, it's normal. It makes your model fatter or thinner much faster than scaling. Local view. Too many objects in your scene and hard to focus? Select object that you want to edit and press slash on your number pad. Now only that object is visible. Everything else hide. After edit that, press again slash on your number pad. Perfect for working clean and fast. Link duplicate. Need to duplicate things but want them update together. Select one object and press Alt D. This make link copies. Change one and all others update. Super useful for repeated item. Recalculate normals. Why does my models look wide or dark on one side? Go to edit mode. Select all faces and press Shift N. This recalculates normals and fix inside out faces. One key and shading is fixed. Bevel vertices. Want nice round corner fast. Select on vertex and press Ctrl Shift B. This bevels the vertex, not the edge. Make smooth corner in one move. So comment which shortcut was your favorite, and if this shortcut helped you, save this video and try them in your next project. Subscribe Panorify Studio for more easy Blender tips. See you again.